Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I had a really good day at the Restore today, so I thought I would share what I got. I paid 31 bucks for everything, so kind of ignored some of the prices because he kind of just threw in some stuff. So, anyways, this thing is pretty cool. It's a little socket set. Paid 15 bucks for it. 1.5. Can you? There we go. So, I don't know. I need ratchets, and there was 2 or 3 in here. Yeah, 2. Here's a 3/8 ratchet, no name, but it's got one of those weird little, oh, can't even see it, weird little thumb dial thing. But yeah, just a cheap ratchet there. This one is called, oh, upside down, Mibro, little 1/4 inch. Nice little ratchet. So there's 2 little ratchets, and then some extensions here. We got a no-name extension, 3/8, and then we got this one is an Armstrong, 1/4 inch. It's pretty cool. I think that's like a 6-inch, and then this one is also a 6-inch or whatever, same size. But where's the, oh, right there, down at the bottom. It's Proto, Canada, 4761. And then there's this no-name 1/4 inch extension, 3-inch probably. And then there's this cheap 1/4 inch driver. Bunch of random sockets. Most of them are just like Taiwan cheap ones, but these are 12 point, something like that. And then these ones are like 8 point. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, most of them are Taiwan, but there was one in here that was kind of, yeah, gray Canada. It's not bad. But the main thing, and I didn't even notice this when I opened it. I literally just opened it in the store, seen the 2 ratchets, bunch of sockets. I was like, yeah, sure. But this is a snap-on. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. But yeah, a little snap-on 1/4 inch breaker bar. I thought that was cool. So, and then there's a spark plug socket. Bunch of other random junky sockets. And then this nice little case too. So that's it for that. That's not bad. But we got more. I'm going to start off with this. I got this for $5. A little, I don't know what you call it, but it's got like a curved blade to it, and curved bottom. Some sort of plane, rabbit plane, or I don't know, whatever it is. It's something. But for $5, and it's complete, I'm pretty sure. It's got the blade, the wedge. Yeah. Thought that was cool. So there's that. I kind of wanted to see. Yeah, we'll do that later. Okay, I want to show you these. Keep you interested, hopefully. Because there's some really good stuff. Like, I could have bought way more, but I just didn't know what to get and what not to get. But we got some pretty good stuff. I'm just going to start pulling crap out here. Yeah, So, I got this little pipe cutter. I could use one. I bought another one. This one's General, made in USA. But I bought another one. It was made in like Taiwan or something, but it was broken. Didn't notice that until I got home. Yeah, anyways, not much to say about that. It's got the deburring tool, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Blade looks decent. I didn't see any chips in it. $2, $1. Not bad. This is really cool. This is a really long, really long flathead. But it's also, does this one say stuff? Yeah. It says Lee right there. But it's a Stanley 100 plus. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. I enjoy it. I paid $1 for it. It's not bad. And then there's this little guy, Stanley number 2 stubby. Maybe if I get it into camera view. Okay, maybe I'll leave that till last. Yeah. Okay. This is cool. This is a Craftsman nut driver. Well, not a nut driver. 1/4-inch driver. It's in pretty good shape. It's not bad. For $1, not bad. This chisel, I just thought it was cool. I like the writing on it, and the red and the white. But yeah, paid $1 for that. Got a big gouge out of it. Yeah, whatever. Sorry if you're falling asleep here. I kind of slow. So, well, start with this. This is a little Allen key set. I didn't really. They got these stupid price tags on everything. 5/16 to 3/16, maybe. That's what it says. I don't know. But yeah, cool. I always like these little. Oh, I'm not even showing you. I always like these little Allen key sets. Pretty cool. And then I got this thing. That was $1. This was $2. It's got a little feeler gauge set. I'm pretty sure for spark plugs, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. At least that is. Yeah, some sort of feeler gauge set that I'll probably never use, but thought it was cool. Yeah, she's okay. We'll just leave it like that. What else? Is that it? I think that's it. No. No, that's definitely not it. So, there was a bunch of these. They're Mastercraft, like, screwdriver set thing. They were at one point. But they're gold. And there was a bunch of them there, but I only grabbed the all. I don't know. I don't need a million different screwdrivers, but gold, if you can't tell. I don't know if the camera shows it, but a gold all, like, why not? It was $1 too, so. And then this is I'm going to take this stupid sticker off. Well, I'm going to try. Okay, maybe not. Can you see it? Proto? Nut driver, or 3/8, or sorry, 1/4, you know? And it's got, you know, you can do one of these numbers, you know? That's pretty cool. There was 2 of them there, like the exact same one, but this one was in better shape. So I thought that was cool. Alright, this is really cool. It's got a little nail puller. It's probably a day or 2 old, maybe. Funny. And then this, he literally just gave this to me. And the, what else did he give me? This socket right here. They had it marked as 25 cents, but he gave it to me. SK 3/8, 6-point. And then this thing for free. That's not bad. Little bit holding screwdriver. Or screw holding screwdriver. Sorry. Yeah, it's beat. But I would have paid $1 for it, but I got it for free. I'm going to try to take this one off. Just try to be careful. Alright, I'll do this later. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Yeah, I think I did really well this time. And I was walking in there expecting nothing, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There might be cool things coming with some of the stuff, so yeah. Anyways, appreciate you for watching.